You have to be careful because they also have these. These have 200 milligrams of caffeine in them. So if you mess around and think you're just getting some hydration, you put one of these in there, you might be getting something different, all right? If you're feeling tired, hydrate. If you're feeling hungry, hydrate. So hydration is so important, and I get asked a lot, what is in your jug? Like, what is in your bottle when you go to the gym or just throughout the day? How do you stay hydrated? Drinking water is just so important. The thing is, a lot of times boring water, man, it gets hard to drink. A lot of times you can buy those water bottles that have like the little time on them where you have to drink so much by this time and that time and that time, and those are great as well. If those help you stay on track, man, go for it. Okay, you can find those on like Amazon. They're like the big jugs. You can use just whatever kind of water bottle you want to, or you can just grab a jug like this and make sure you drink it or drink half of it. Okay, so I drink half to a gallon of water a day. Sometimes it does get hard because just drinking water by itself can get kind of boring. So I'm gonna show you in this video some of the options I like to use to make the water taste a little bit better, to make me want to drink it more, give you some electrolytes. All of these items you can find on Amazon. You know, a lot of them you can find at Walmart, Target. So I'll drop a link to my Amazon store in the comments, but let me know what you like to put in your water. A lot of people just put a little sea salt in there, okay, and that's good enough. Some people just drink plain water. It's all good. What I do in the morning is I start out by drinking 1 cup of water, around 12 to 16 ounces of water. So I drink that first thing in the morning. Helps wake me up. It helps get your body moving, get your body going. And you already know you downed at least a little bit of water, so that's a good way to do it too. As soon as you wake up, you've been dehydrated all night, make sure you get something to drink, all right? First up, one of my favorites, I've been drinking this for years. It is so good, all right? It's called Kaged Hydration. Now you can get these on Amazon. I'll put a link in my description, but this is my favorite. I've tried a lot of them. All you need to do is put 1 scoop, which is 5 calories, into your water bottle or into your jug. Okay, just stick 1 scoop in here. This is one of my favorite flavors right here. Strawberry yuzu. Man, if you were looking for a flavor that you might want to check out, just give it a shot. Strawberry yuzu is so good. It's great. It'll rehydrate you. If you're just working around the house, you know, let's say you're working on the yard or something like that and it's all hot outside, get you some electrolytes, some type of electrolytes, but this is really good. They have plenty of different flavors. Let me know if you've ever tried this, okay? Because it is one of my favorites. I keep it in stock. If you're traveling as well, they even have a little one that you can get. It's a little bit smaller, but it's a little one. So if you're traveling with one, they make it very easy. All right, so just 1 little scoop right here. Like I said, 5 calories, man, come on now. 5 calories is a great way to get you some hydration, all right? Another one I have that I like to have all the time, I travel with these because they're so simple. They taste great. Electrolytes, makes your water, man, it's just so good. All right, these right here, all right, Celsius. If you get down with Celsius, you let me know. Have you tried these right here? Now, the cool thing about these are just little packs. They're so easy to pack. If you're traveling, if you're going to the gym, if you're going to work and you want to make sure you get your water in throughout the day, put one of these in there. Man, they're so good, okay? The thing I want to warn you about on these, you have to be careful because they also have these, okay? Now, these have 200 milligrams of caffeine in them. All right, so if you mess around and think you're just getting some hydration, you put one of these in there, you might be getting something different, all right? It might be giving you some energy as well. Now, these are great as well. I use these for a pre-workout sometimes, especially when traveling. But if you're going to the gym, you just need a quick pre-workout, grab you one of these. Very clean energy, no crash. You have to make sure you grab the right one because I've done that before. I thought I was getting a hydration one, actually got a caffeine one. I was like, uh-oh, got a little caffeine boost too, okay? So just make sure you get it. Now, you can find these at Walmart. You can find them on my Amazon store. So definitely check those places, but these are super easy. Let me show you what they look like. So this is what they look like right here. Okay, so they come in these little packets. All right, just look how tiny it is. You can just, I mean, this is so easy. I keep these in my gym bag because you just never know when you just need a bottle of water, but water's just not gonna cut it. You need some more electrolytes, bam, there you go. Grab you one of these, keep these, just pack these with you. I'm trying to tell you, man, they just make it so easy, okay? I talked about these before in my videos. These are great as well. LMNT, have you tried LMNT? These are great. All right, now these have a more salty flavor, okay? These are packing 1,000 milligrams of salt in them. These are great for rehydration, for sure. They have a little flavor in them, but they have a lot of sodium in there. So make sure you check with your doctor, check whatever fits into your personal goal. These might have too much for you, but if not, these are a great way to break a fast. In the morning, you can wake up and drink a big cup of water with one of these. You will be hydrated. I'm trying to tell you, these are so good, okay? You can find these, Target sells these, also on my Amazon store. There'll be a link in the description for that if you want to get them there. but these are great. I think Walmart sells them too. These are amazing, okay? If you have LMNT, let me know. Now, I like to get this variety pack because it gives you, you know, different flavors, but you know, you don't have to, they have plenty of different flavors. LMNT now has like energy drinks as well that you can choose from. They have all kinds of different drinks now. You know, if you're gonna be out and about all day long, you're gonna be hiking or something like that, get you one of these and get you one of these, because then you can have the caffeine. Or if not, put one of these in there, okay? So mix them up if you want to, all right? Put it in like a gallon of water and drink that throughout the day as you're hiking, as you're sweating a lot, or if you're gonna be, you know, working out a lot, or you're doing, you know, bike riding, or just whatever it is. If you're gonna be sweating, you need to really focus on staying hydrated. It is just so important, okay? If you're feeling tired, hydrate. If you're feeling hungry, hydrate. So these right here, LMNT, are so easy to pack as well. Look how small that is. Check that out, all right? These, I keep these in my gym bag. When I travel, these stay with me. Before I go on an airplane, I drink one of these. All right, so you stay hydrated. You know, while I'm on the airplane, I'll have one of these in my water bottle. Gives it flavor. I know I'm staying hydrated, and that's what works for me. So, but look how little these packets are. Man, it just makes it so easy, okay? So keep you a few of these, keep you a few of those Celsius, and just stay ready. Come on now. And finally, I don't know if you've seen these before. Liquid Death also has hydration packets, okay? So have y'all seen these before? I saw these. Now, I'm a big fan of Liquid Death, just the waters. Those are great as well. I have those a lot. But I said, man, they have hydration packets. Come on now. So I had to try them. Man, they're good, okay? So definitely go check these out. If you get down with Liquid Death, you let me know. Man, Liquid Death is great, and the can looks really cool. If you know what I'm talking about, man, that can, it looks pretty cool, okay? So definitely check those out. But Liquid Death, man, with the hydration packets, man, you cannot beat it, all right? So let me know if you get down with Liquid Death. Oh, and these too, like the LMNT, these have 1,000 milligrams of sodium too. So like I said, check with your doctor, make sure it's all good, but stay hydrated, come on. So they have, those are some of my favorite ways to stay hydrated, favorite items I like to use. A lot of these items you can just find in your local Walmart or your local Target. You can go to my Amazon store, I'll have them linked in there. But whatever you do, just stay hydrated. Try different ones, see if you like it, you know, see what flavors you like, but make sure it fits into your personal diet first, and then go get the one that fits you best, okay? But whatever you do, stay hydrated, drink more water. Like I said, it will help. If you're feeling hungry, drink some water, all right? A lot of times you're just dehydrated, okay? When you wake up in the morning and you wanna wake up, man, drink a cup of water. It will wake you up. Your body will be ready to go. So try that out. Let me know in the comments, what is your morning routine? Do you get up and drink some water, or you get up and just wait till later? Do you need to drink more water? What do you think will help you drink more water? Will it be buying the gallon jugs, buying one of those jugs that has the times on it where you got to meet a certain goal by a certain time of day, or whatever it is, and we can all try to help each other out in the comments. But whatever you do, just drink some more water. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.